So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you a servicing video of this Havells SS390. So as you can see, this is my Havells SS390 since this fan is not cleaned since 2 months before only. And yes, I didn't even disassemble the fan. So that's why today I am going to do servicing of this Havells SS390. So let's get started. So guys, this is the ceiling fan. As you can see, the fan is dusty, but it's not as dusty as the high-speed Decora. So let's disassemble the fan. So guys, as you can see, now I disassemble the fan. And one thing to say about the Havells and the Crompton shaft is that the shaft of this fan, the shaft which I feel is that this is slightly thin, means the shaft diameter of this Havells fan is slightly thinner. And the second thing is that this Havells is having a shaft like the Usha Swift usually has a shaft, means in those fans there doesn't have any slit in the shaft. You can see this fan is also not having a slit in the shaft. So always it's recommended to use the slitted shaft. The slitted shafts are better compared to this kind of shaft. So this kind of shaft, it's slightly difficult to just remove the wires like this, as you can see. But in the slitted shafts it's quite easy if you compare while removing the wires. So that's the main thing. So let's open the motor and let's show you what's inside a Havells fan. So guys, finally I disassembled the fan. So as you can see, this is the coil of my Havells SS390. As you can see, it's a copper coil. As you can see, this is the first time I'm also opening a Havells fan. As you can see, this is the washer, and you can see this is the wires, and you can see these are the plastic sleeves which Havells will provide. As you can see, the winding is good. It's not means what I feel is that the winding is not that great like the Crompton one, but still the winding is good, as you can see. And this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 pole motor. And as you can see, this washer is stuck in the bearing only. So this is the stator, and there is no, see, if you guys zoom it, let me just have a focus the camera. So you can see here the shaft of this fan is 13 mm, whereas the Crompton's shaft has 15 mm, and this is a 12 pole winding, and nothing else, no such things are mentioned in the coil. And this is the lower body. As you can see, this is also HCH 6201 bearing. As you can see, I don't know it's visible in the camera or not. The bearings are smooth only, as you can see. And this is the cover, and this is the upper cover, and you can see this is the rotor ring of this fan, which is removable. I personally feel the non-removable rotor fans are the best compared to this kind of fans, but no issues. And this is the upper cover, you can see. And if I just zoom it, camera, as you can see, now the camera is in focus, and you can see something written here. As you can see, the cover is lightweight, very lightweight. It's even lighter weight than the high-speed Decora and what's this. Both the cover of this fan is lightweight. The rotor is heavy, and the stator is also heavy. The stator weighs around 2 kgs or something like that, and this all stuff will be around, the motor's weight is only 3 kg or something like that. With the blades and everything, the fan is only 4 kg and nothing else. So this is the components, and I'm first time opening a Havells fan. As you can see, this is the label and everything. So this fan needs a proper cleaning, nothing else. And you can see this is the rotor ring I showed you, and these are the canopies. As you can see, these are the canopies. As you can see, this is the wires. Let me just remove the wires also. So I will remove it, no issues. And these are the both the canopies as you can see. So, and what's the matter, these are the screws and stuffs of this fan as you can see. I will clean them these accessories behind the camera, and let's show you the fan. So guys, now all the components of the fan are cleaned as you can see. So this is the upper canopy as you can see, the Havells branding as you can see. So the canopies are very good quality canopies, and they are really big canopies. And this is the lower canopy as you can see. This is also cleaned completely. So this is looking so nice. And this is the rotor ring. This is the rotor ring of the Havells as you can see. You can just able to see the thickness. This is the thickness, it's good. And let me just show you, this is the down rod as you can see. I have cleaned the down rod also as you can see. By this focus, you can see this is the down rod as you can see. This is the safety seal usually Havells give as you can see. Which you can see here. Always use this cap. See, it's protected this dust from the ceiling, so that's why always use it. Crompton also gives this kind of canopies in the sure beast category fans, like the cool this such as Brazier, Jetwind or whatsoever might be, these many kind of fans. And the stator as you can see, I have cleaned the stator also, just a slight clean only as you can see. The stator, if I'll just show you, camera is not willing to take focus. As you can see, this is the washer, and you can see Havells applied some grease also here, and this is the washer as you can see. So you can see this is plastic washer, this is not metal washer. I feel this is plastic washer as you can see. This is not metal washer. And you can see this is the coil. You can see some dust are there, which I can't just pour water, so that's why it's okay. And you can see this is the stator, it's looking good. And let's show you this is the upper cover. The upper cover is really lightweight as you can see, and the lower cover, see both the covers are really lightweight, and as you can see both are looking so nice. It's shiny, this fan is very much shiny since it's a metallic fan. And as you can see, now let me just keep this stator aside and let's show you the blades. So these are the blades as you can see. Blades are also cleaned as you can see. This part we can't just wipe it. If I will pressurize it, then the blades may get bent as you can see. See the paint chipping occurred in the Havells. As you can see, the camera is not focusing. As you can see, now it focused. See this, and here fully the paint chipping occurred due to the heat conditions as you can see. And this is the So guys, this is the Havells SS390 after the servicing. As you can see, it's looking really great and looking like a fresh fan. So let's start the fan. So as you can see, the fan took full speed. So this is the full speed of this fan. So the fan is working really fine, and as you can see, airflow is also increased. Means the blades were dusty, the airflow was slightly less, but this fan was not as dusty as the HHD. So as you can see, the fan is working really nice, as you can see, and it's looking really great in the camera in the room, as you can see. So this is the Havells SS390. So let's stop the fan. So guys, this is the servicing video of this Havells SS390. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more fan repairing and servicing videos like this. So thank you guys for watching.